What's up, hookers? I don't know what to say in my videos anymore. Anyway, I'm putting on my eyelashes. Don't mind me, but I just wanted to tell you that I'm actually the worst YouTuber in the whole entire world. I vlogged the whole entire month of August and I never posted. So this is a compilation of literally every single thing. Hi! Guys, I just got back from Target and bring you a haul because I'm really excited and I spend a lot of money. So the first thing I buy, always, are my eyelashes. They are my favorite lashes in the whole entire world, and they're like stripper lashes, prostitute lashes, sex worker lashes. I'm trying to like find the most non-judgmental term with that. They're the Ardell Wispies Black 113. They are amazing, super easy to apply. If you guys want a video on how I apply my lashes, I will, but really I just use my fingers and then I clamp it. This one is coming off in the corner. I don't care though because whatever. Wait, next thing I got is this super cute shirt from Target. It is just this like creamy white tee and it just says positivity in like this mustard yellow color. I think it's super cute and it makes me laugh because it's a positivity tee, so it's a positivity. And what else did I buy? Downstairs I have vanilla Coke and Tennessee honey whiskey because you mix them together and it's heaven. And I got 2 Hydro Boost face washes. Wow, my brain is literally non-existent. Target usually does this like buy 3 get a $5 gift card, so I bought these 2, and then the hydrogel face lotion for extra dry skin. I buy the gel cream. It is the best thing in the whole entire world. I have chronically dry skin, as I've talked about 7,000 times on my channel, so that's what I buy for my dry skin, and I think it works really well. I don't know what everybody else uses, but I think it's really nice. You're more in shape than me? Yeah. Lies. No, that's the truth. We're going hiking. Santan Regional, and I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Bad spray tan. Oh. That bee just got me. Hey, guy. Hey, Mom, guess what? What? I just got stung by a bee. I don't see any of the toads, though. There's so many bees. Hi, bee friends. Oh, my gosh. Bee safety. For tortoises? Hell yeah! Okay guys, look at this little skirt. It's so cute. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I think I still have the tag in it. I definitely still have the tag in it. It's a little short. I like the length, but like in the back, like I can twist, but if I were to like lean.
Hey, the beat go off? Hey, I love it, then my heat go off. Bang. I heard he do that sneaky dog. Hey, I heard he was a sneaky dog. I love this.
Say that again.
Somebody in my class didn't know what a shart was.
A shart.
Yeah, a shart.
Just to educate y'all. What is a shart, Hayden?
It's when you fart and you poop. Poo a little.
You poo a little. It's a wet fart. Not that anybody cares, but I'm in the bathtub. There's an acai bowl there, thawing, and granola. My mask is on my lip. You can't even see. I was gonna try and show you my outfit of the day. It's super exciting. It's black leggings and a blue striped Carhartt t-shirt. Cheers, rednecks. I'm sick part 2. I did spray tan myself, so I'm a nice tan, but I feel like utter crap. My hair is a damn mess. I'm going to Starbucks because what else do you do when you're sick? But guys, look at this outfit. It's super cute. It's a Jayhawk sweatshirt, freaking shirt. Ow. Sweatpants, sandals. What? Socks with sandals. Oh God, it's bright. This is my halo. There's always spiders in that. I don't know why I put my head on that. Hello, I'm back. Got my peach green tea lemonade. And that's really all I wanted to say, is that now I'm gonna go back to laying in bed and watching Blue Bloods. It's official. I grabbed everything that I love and I'm mad at myself because I'm gonna buy it all. Guys, look how cute this top is. I'm so mad because I don't want to buy it all. My old lady hip. I love this one, but I don't love it as much as I love the other ones. So I'm gonna nix this one, but it's really cute. Hello everybody. I just got back from a day of shopping, and now I'm eating barbecue in bed and watching Blue Bloods, because that is my life. This is what I'm doing, and I am very happy with my decisions. Getting my hair done. So happy. I'm in the bathroom at Target.
Louder! There it is.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, where's my eyelash glue lid? I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I promise not all my videos are like this. I have a lot of vlogs. I have a lot of travel vlogs, and hopefully a lot of fun things coming up soon. I'm going to a concert this week with my best friend, so we're gonna vlog that. And I don't know what I'm doing, but it's gonna be exciting. So we'll see you guys very soon with another video. Peace out, babes.
So